Hello everyone, my name is Renee Anderson, and welcome to my latest challenge that will bring a bright new twist on a tile-based game. In order to accomplish the project, I and my classmates were given a task to design and implement a new mechanic to the project. With that, I have created and will be introducing a new mechanic. So take a seat and come and view the new design at work. The mechanic I have achieved in designing and implementing the game is the lightning strike tile. The design of the tile is simple and shows great imagination. The idea of the tile was to create something based from a past game that I have played that has something like the idea or close to it. So the plan was to create this tile to be able to deal damage to the player. But the idea does have a bit of problems that I'm still trying to work out. My idea was to have a player land on a tile and take damage, but but as but also having the players to sit on the tile for too long, it would deal more damage. I was able to implement a set timer system for the strike, but for some reason the timer system is not working or something is missing in the process of my creating the function. In viewing my work in progress, I have also shown how the mechanic is to work. Here are the components of the mechanic in Editor. So the process of this design was to create a health system, which is shown as a green progress bar above the other bar. So now the player has a health bar. The next stage of the process was to create a tile and set up the mechanics for this. And by that, I have set up the tile to be shown as a tile with a sphere in the center of the tile. The other objection of the mechanic for the tile is to have the player land on the tile and activate a lightning strike with a set timer. But I'm currently having problems with that as well. I'm not sure too well what is missing. Also, since I have also had the idea of expanding on how many tiles are placed on the map, I've used the same mechanical system for it, but changed it around a bit. And that is the second tile I've created, which is a healing tile. As the player lands on that tile, it will activate and allow the player to be healed a certain amount of HP points. But the main focus is on the lightning strike tile. And that is the key function. I'm using the same mechanics as I did with the lightning strike to implement into the healing to be able to have both tiles activate.